It was pretty bad.
I had to go to the emergency room and have the rest of it taken off.
That sounds like
Vacuum cleaner accident.
fun way to start a trip.
We survived in spite of it, though.
Really? Turn that off. There we go. Get you on tape anyway, right?
Hello, George.
Here's all the work.
Hey, George.
Here's all the work they're doing.
Working
We're
hard.
doing a lot of thinking, George. Yeah. Trying to figure out where we're going to get some more money.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, George.
We're looking for a meal, but we can't find any oatmeal.
Uh-oh.
George. Get a good view from the doorway looking back.
Two, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, keep the doors open.
I don't think that light's gonna. No, that light isn't gonna be. It's plenty lit up around here. I'll take all that back. So explain. I guess he knows how it would work, maybe, but or maybe.
He knows how it works.
As I'm not sure, I'm not quite sure what parts he'd be interested in seeing close up. So I'll just.
This is the stuff thing to make the lemons.
Yeah.
The wrapping.
Okay. Pretty good.
He's seen most of this stuff.
Yeah. So that's the press. There's something. Get the whole place in here, huh? Oh yeah, for baking the limbs, yeah. I remember having the oven in our house filled up with limbs several times. I go in there, what's cooking? Oh, we got some limbs cooking right now. And that's an honest to goodness pizza oven too,
Yeah,
right?
that's right. That is what it is. What's that? He said, it's not as good as pizza oven. I said, that's definitely what it is.
Yeah.
That compressor had stuff. I think the machine there will go outside.
Oh yeah.
Compressor and the hydraulic pump.
Get close up to some of the stuff. Oh, I actually got a limb in this one.
Have you been over here the whole week? This is where a compressor, heat pump, all that'll be in there.
After that,
Okay.
Water reservoirs for the cut-off saw.
this is pretty fun.
Pretty good. Convenient to the airport, that's one thing.
You're there,
Fly thing.
so run around and do everything.
Oh yeah.
Told them that they could go ahead and put those buildings up for those people so they could get back in business, and that delayed our building for
Oh
a
yeah.
month or so. But they had a hell of a fire here. Just, really put them out of business.
Goodness.
And they've just since added that other building over there and put that up.
That's very supposed to be right in here, our decal area. I have a wall here. And then we'll take them from there and they'll be put together and packed and down through the, some are all storage bins down there. You might want to show George the area up on top. Where
Oh, yeah.
Cardboard and stuff. And
Definitely. So what are we waiting on now? That's always the next question.
We're waiting on money.
Oh goodness.
M&M, holds some money. We've got some parts here that I'll show you.
That's some loose
I've given
screws.
to you to take back to your dad. He'll know what they are.
Okay, well, that's the draw stop adjustment there, right?
Mm-hmm. And those are the idler wheels.
Oh, okay. So these idler wheels are actually going to go on the bow, okay.
Yeah. So
Because he just had aluminum, I guess, before. I guess
that's yeah. This is glass filled nylon.
Okay, glass
now,
filled nylon.
and that other white thing is acetate.
Okay. Well, that's good. He knows what it is.
Oh yeah.
I guess we'll go upstairs. Is that a storage area up there?
yeah, you go up there and take pictures down from up there.
Yeah, it might be a good idea. We'll do it like that. How about that? Got the company name on boxes. Well, how about that? That makes you feel like something's going on, right?
Yeah, something's going on.
Filled up. What's filled up in these boxes?
Cortisol, which we put on the bows on both ends and one of the cams and that to protect them in the shipping.
Oh, okay.
It's a sticky on one side and it sticks together and wraps around.
Oh, goodness. Gets warm up here. A tad warm. Let's walk in there. Yeah.
Yeah, well let's look at that. You know, I looked at that. I think we just take a piece of aluminum, Jerry, a flat piece of aluminum like that, and just move it out so that you couldn't get something in there, and bolt it and jimmy up the head, so we couldn't somebody take a screwdriver in that, or double nut it on the inside something. It wouldn't have to be as fancy as what you got.
Well, no, I know. Where are you going from here? Are you going to go
Each Saturday we'll talk back and going back to about at the end of our week.
Yeah, really.
You look forward to it. You look forward to it.
It's awfully hard trying to do everything I want to do in 2 weeks. Don't have
There's a storage area in here.
There's a light switch there.
No, that helps.
Oh, you got a light on that camera?
Oh yeah, I got a little bat. Don't like to use it too much because it runs down the power, but it's good.
Well, I'll be darned.
It's pretty slick.
It's just a little accessory you can buy, huh?
Yeah, well, it came with the camera, but we got all sorts of digital effects on it.
Huh.
My play toy, my newest play toy.
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
The only Playboy you can buy this year.
The last thing I bought when I left, before I left Bear Archery, was like one of those cameras.
Yeah, well, he's been wanting one for a while.
I wish I hadn't spent that money now, but.
Oh goodness. All these investors want to know where's the money at. Oh, go, Karen, look, 2 of them. Wow. 2.
Alright.
Not none of this unisex stuff, right?
There you go.
You gotta have handicap units,
Yeah.
all that.
There it is.
I don't know. Come the other way. Yeah, that's big. Family drive.
This is the option to tell the phone is in here.
This is all the crap that Roger and I built last summer. I think this is gonna be where your dad's gonna be working
Okay.
when
Well,
he comes, okay?
I'm trying to get them to move down here, actually. I don't know if they're going to do it, though.
This is the shooting room, you know, where he'll have his.
Oh,
They ever leave Shreveport?
It's a nice fancy table and chairs. Gotta economize, that's true. Oh, look at this.
I like that desk.
They gave Kelly that when he was president of Bear Archery.
Oh, goodness.
Brunswick was part of the
Oh, that's right.
corporation, and then they did a special.
Suited.
Well, that is funny.
They should have put pockets in the corners.
It's
and make it a
horrible to
practice.
use as a desk, because you're always banging your, he says you're always banging your knees and everything.
I'm sure this is great for writing on too.
Yeah.
But
Oh, goodness. Oh, for the rest of the day, nothing. It's just, yeah,
have as few plans as possible.
really.
Have you been through the Bear Museum up there?
Yeah,